Hey Modern Fragrance community, today I'm going to be doing a review on the Suederal LT aroma chemical by IFF, which is a methyl ester resin of hydrogenated gum rosin. And the other chemical used in this blend is called methyl palmitate. When you smell this scent, you'll notice a powerful leathery suede aroma that will without a doubt blend very well with other leather and suede ingredients such as Castoreum or Givaudan's Safraleine. You can dissolve this aroma chemical using ethanol or dipropylene glycol. I didn't have any solubility issues creating a 10% ethanol solution in SB40 denatured perfumer's alcohol. But some people do using other alcohols. If you have any problems dissolving your Suederal, you can try adding benzyl benzoate to make it more soluble. You can use this blend at levels of up to 10% of your total concentration. Be sure to always read your SDS or MSDS information before handling any perfumery ingredients. You can find them on your source's website. A few important MSDS notes include, but are not limited to, a flash point of 104 degrees Celsius, mild skin irritation category 3, acute aquatic toxicity category 3, and chronic aquatic toxicity category 3. I personally love this aroma chemical for the development of my modern Suede product. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this AC overview on Suederal LT insightful. As you can see, I'm going to need to make a new order pretty soon. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.